Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So if you watched Tuesday's video, you will have seen that I made coasters using some Lrisy glitter and Dura Clear. And I had an idea, a thought. I don't know if it's going to work, so this is going to be an experiment, okay? I had a thought, because I have, you know, a lot of this left, and I wondered what would happen if I was to paint it onto a mold, then pour the resin in there and see if it sticks, you know, if the resin picks it up off of the mold. It's, like I said, it's going to be an experiment. So I'm just going to lay this glitter in here and then wait for that to dry. It takes a little while for this Dura Clear to dry. Probably, I don't know, an hour, maybe? Maybe even less than that. I'm not sure. I usually give it, you know, a good hour to dry. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to lay this in here, as you see me already doing. And then, yeah, I'm just going to let it dry and then add the resin. For these, I'll probably do black, like I did on Tuesday's video. And yeah, that's the plan for today. So I don't know, if you like experiments, maybe hit that like button for this experiment. I'm hoping it doesn't ruin my coaster molds, you know. But we shall see. So I'm going to fast forward the rest of this painting it in here. And then we'll pour the resin, and then my voice will be back for the unmolding. So stick around, enjoy this quick little video. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. Yes. Okay. So, as you can see, I clearly had enough black resin to fill 2 molds today. It's been a while since I've used these little trinket dish molds, so I was like, we'll try these out. Now, I didn't add anything to the black, so it's just plain old black, which is fine by me because I actually, black is one of my favorite colors. So I'm not mad at it. So here's one. I do have a buble right there. And a little one right here, which I'm not terribly surprised about because these are hard to make completely bubble free around these edges. But there's that one, and then we got the little heart one. All right. Come on out of your shell, little heart. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I like this a lot. And I've only got one teensy, tiny little bubble right here. Yep, everything else looks great. So, that is today's bonus unmolding time. Alright guys, we're going to unmold. I did have a little bit of spillover when I was moving these, so that's why there's some little bits of resin. I've also got quite a few bubbles on the bottom. Not really sure why, because I sprayed these heavily with alcohol after popping the bubbles to prevent them from coming up and staying there, so I don't know. Anyway, let's see how they look. Okay, so it did work. I can feel the glitter, like even some of it is coming off. So perhaps what I might do next time if I try this technique again, and you can see that there is still some glitter in the molds, but I mean, it's, you know, it comes out perfectly fine. I think if I try this again, I might pour like a thin clear resin, let that set, and then pour in the black. Yeah, so you can see the spillover, so I'll clean that up. But these look really, really cool. I'm very, very happy with them. The tops, I mean, you can feel like the texture of the glitter, but it's not poking out of the tops. It's mainly just the sides, right here and right here. But other than that, I'm very happy with how these turned out. I do wish that I had done like a different design for them, because I mean, it just looks weird. But what do you guys think? I think they're pretty cool. As always, anything that I use will be listed in the description box below. Amazon links are affiliate links, and I have a discount code to Dryer Days Art Studio. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, this little experiment per se, let me know. Hit the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, please stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys.